Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over how to do a twist kick or a reverse roundhouse. Now let's get started. Now let's break down the twist kick or the reverse roundhouse kick. Now, this is what a front snap kick looks like. You kick straight up, knee comes up, kick straight up. Roundhouse kick, we're going this way. Twist kick, we're going the opposite way. We're going this way, all right? So the key is making sure you're pointing your knee in the direction we're going. Be very careful in doing this. Start really slow. If you don't know what you're doing, you try to go too fast, you might hurt yourself. So go very slow if you're new to learning this. So all we're gonna do is pick that knee up, and we're gonna practice pointing it the other direction of a roundhouse kick. So here, knee up, point it out. Here, up and point it out. Now, once you kind of get your knee going in that direction, you're just gonna extend the kick out. So knee up, point it out, and then extend the leg out. Just like that, all right? We're gonna practice it on Bob. Knee goes up, I'm gonna point it out. Same thing, in the direction of the kick. We're still gonna try to aim with the top part of our foot. Sometimes with me, I'll still hit with the top of the foot, but more the outside of the top of the foot. But just do your best to still aim with the top part of the foot. So knee comes up, I'm gonna point it, and then flick it out. It's still a flicking motion, just like a roundhouse kick, just like a front snap kick. So one more time, knee comes up, point it, and then flick out. This kick is a little bit awkward. It's a little bit different. You see it a little bit more now in sparring. So a few different things you can do if you want to mix it up once you get it down. You can skip into it. Boom. You can do it at just a regular range here. You can do it from a clinch. It's really common. The clinch, you want to really make sure your knee's in really tight here. Boom, and flick it out. Or you can do it to the head, which is what I've been practicing recently. Here. Boom, you just kind of bring it up, flick out towards the head. Just drive that knee up, point it out. And that's gonna be your twist kick or your reverse roundhouse kick. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more tips and tutorials, make sure you guys subscribe. Also, to keep up with more things that I'm doing, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.